Well, it's not even 7:30 yet.
Ay. Yeah.
Okay, so remember, first step.
Yeah.
No. First step, clothes in a pile. Then I'll do breakfast when everything's at the right order. Pop the lid down. Jamie, did you discuss going to Copa?
Alright.
Is it?
I'm walking there. I'm not going to go back. I'm going to Copa.
What?
We're going to surf over there. I'm going to Copa.
And?
Copa.
No, what I was suggesting to Jamie, he said you can't surf out there. I said, what about the beach down the road? He hasn't had a look yet. So he was thinking about, we can go past...
Pack up early,
I probably
have
should
breakfast, be out of here at like 8:30. Check down there if it's good, so it's not when you go to Copa.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan, doesn't it? Guys, so people who bought gummy bears, stop eating gummy bears. So I can't even get mine
Where
off.
the hell is... Anyway, we've finished the gun bed.
Tell you not to eat them.
We have not eaten 25 packets yet.
Oh, I ate about 17. No, I only had 3. Okay, this was Surf Safari 2013. Brother James is sort of having a birthday party. Had a few mates over. Fortunately, Jacob couldn't make it. So we had Archie, Elliot, Tas Hale. And this was our spot. Beach was just over there, as we can see the ocean in the distance. Right near the no dump point. That didn't pose a problem. And it's very quiet this time of year. So here's our trusty Caramel. Yet again. Tennis courts in the background there, we can just see the lights at the top. And yeah, this was it. As you can see, we spread quite a bit. And it's actually relatively tidy. The car, on the other hand, well, that's my sleeping bag. It's tidied up, but a couple of Almerics. Now, what would the world have done without Almeric? I just shudder to think. On the back. Yep. Tas Hale, sprinting champion, New South Wales. Faster than a cheetah. James McCrindle. Wow. Top cross-country runner in the state.
Turn that phone off.
Okay, say happy birthday.
Don't use my thing as a rubbish bin.
I'm reckoning that's an Elliot. That's an Elliot trick, that one. Oh, is it a Hale trick? It's not Hale. Anyway, this is over and out. 2014. Happy birthday, my son. Lolly lots, and until you're 13, mate, we can have a bar mitzvah if we're Jewish. What can we not? But we'll have one anyway. There's my baby. She's starting to get a boat. So, yeah, probably the last video. Probably upgrade to a monster twin 125s or the back. Ski boat, fish boat. Alrighty. Okay guys, we need all your washing off the line because I'm packing the line up. Get it? Hear that? Alrighty, over and out.